Hello. What am I looking at? I am next to the coal generators and batteries. Been having some difficulty with them. I'm painting critical infrastructure green. This is all part of what I want left turned on in case the power gets low. So you can see I'm using my jetpack right now. That allows me to jump really, really high. It's charged with turbo fuel. This belt is bringing sulfur somewhere, but does it need to? No, the sulfur is going in there, and that's where it's being used to make compacted coal. And that's some of my critical infrastructure. You know what I ought to do? Since requires the same ingredients, I should put one more assembler here to make gunpowder. I think it's gunpowder. You see, I use these conveyor lifts in order to keep the belts away from the ground. It makes it so I can walk around much easier since the belts are all above my head. So let's see if I was right. If I was right, then black powder uses sulfur and coal, and it does, right there. Good. So I will put a couple more splitters on this. Now, I think some people don't like the looks of this because it tends to clip. I don't mind clipping, although, you know, they might. I don't know if they're going to change the rules of the game so that clipping causes problems. I don't have any more iron plates, so I will use a belt Mark II. Now I will power this guy. I don't know if this is critical. This isn't really critical infrastructure though, so I'm going to hook it up to another power line that's not green. Do I have any non-green power lines around? Probably not. Wow. It's going to be a while before I find a non-green power line. Because everything here is critical. Putting a single non-critical item in the middle of a bunch of critical things. That one is supposed to be. All these water things are critical. Don't really need to mark them, but because I know that they're critical. So here is a power line that is not critical. So I'm going to take it and we'll put it over here. Kind of spoiled the I feel like the wire too long. Look, I can just put it right there, but right there is just too long. Okay, so I'm going to put it right there and connect that to that. And now he's going to start. Has no power. Why does he have no power? Because this switch is turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn on this switch. I call it the underbase, but we're going to turn it on. Hopefully that doesn't cause any too much of a power spike. No, we got enough. Consumption 1761, production 1975. I am so the compacted coal is critical infrastructure because it gives me a resource that I can use for power. Gunpowder over here, on the other hand, is not critical infrastructure because I don't really need gunpowder except just an occasional resource. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put in belt. Nope, I don't have any of that. Belt Mark II? Yeah, Belt Mark II will do. And there goes the gunpowder that I've already started accumulating. And I'll have a whole lot of it later. I don't really need it now, I just thought since I was there, I would build that. Alright, what do I need to do next? Well, let me go show you where. We'll go over here. This is kind of my hypertube network. This goes to the hub. The hub is kind of a central base of operation. I have a to-do list up here that I can use sometimes. And this is where I upgrade my technologies. Right now, though, what I'm short of is, well, let's keep taking those hypertubes onward, and I'll show you what I'm short on. And I should put it on my to-do list, but so this is taking me. Oh shoot! I went the wrong direction. Here we go. I can turn around inside the hypertube and it changes for you. So that's nice. You don't have to go all the way down the hypertube before you realize that you've made a mistake, gotten in the wrong hypertube. Okay. Come down here, and I'm going to storage. That's where I want to go. Figured out the hypertubes seem a little bit faster if you go completely vertical and then horizontal rather than going at a slope. And then I actually want to go to the truck stops. But I probably could have gotten there just as fast by jetpacking it there. But this was something I set up, when the truck stop did not have 3 or 4 layers of manufacturing above them. Right now, the truck stop, you can see these ports right here go down to the truck stop. So this one is bringing copper ingots through the truck stop. This one is bringing rotors, reinforced iron plates, modular frames. Goodness, I have a lot of those stored. I could use those. I could really use those. I probably ought to. But so those items are being taken from the storage containers up to belts along here, and the belts are being moved, and the belts are moving the products along the way so that they can be used by the constructors up here. And I just ran out of fuel, and this is gonna hurt. Ow. 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 You'll notice that if you look down here, this tells you how much health I have left. And I think that is pretty much, yeah, that was enough to almost kill me. But I've got these things. What are these called? Those are called medicinal inhalers that restore my full health. Oh yeah. Let's actually play the worst of Goat Simulator. I should find out what Goat Simulator is like. They've got the people that made this game came up with another game called Goat Simulator. Okay, this is making stators. I wanted stators really bad earlier when my power was going bad, but I don't really need the stators now. What do I want? Let's jump up here and see. Okay. Not going to use the fuel until it runs out like I did last time. Okay, so I made a sign up here that says automated wiring. No, that's not the one. That's done. That was easy to do. This one was complicated. I said motor is made downstairs. Smart plate is made off campus. Rubber is made way off. Now I could make a smart plate here. I just noticed I've got the ingredients for it in those big tubs. So I might decide to do that. But I'm going to try to connect the motor. Connect the motor, and I've got these spots right here. Have I already done it? Oof. Oh. Okay, where is that coming from? I think I was trying to connect motor right there. Yeah, that's a smart splitter. That purple belt down there is a sushi belt, which means that it's got a whole lot of ingredients on it. Pretty much everything I'm producing, I'm putting on that belt, which is pretty non-impressive right now. I think it's because everything is turned off. Most everything is turned off right now because I had the power shortage that I was dealing with. Okay, so I want to turn the motors on. That's automated wiring. Probably ought to turn that on too. That's versatile network. Where are my motors? There's my motors. Okay. Alright, somewhere around here there's a switch. And there it is. It says motor on it. And I'm going to turn it on. And let's see if we're actually making motors. Sounds like it. Hear the sound of the motors being made. Yep, they're getting the stators, they're getting the rotors, they're making the motors. So that's good. Those motors should be being put on this. Motors are being put on this belt probably. Yeah, there it is. Motor. And that motor is being taken up here. It's being put on the purple belt. And then just downwind from there, it's being taken off the purple belt right there. I think I've got a... Yeah. Alright, what else do I need? Come on, motor. Boy, did I outrun the motor that much? I want to see it coming down the pike. There's one. Oh, they're coming down. They're coming along the line. They're coming up. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. And then they'll come through there and zoom. And then they're coming this way. Alright. And they're gonna go up behind me. So, okay, so my system is getting motors now. Oh. Oh, that was foolish. Alright. so motors are coming. What else did I need? This is the wrong level. I'm gonna... Oh man. Where am I? Yeah, this is it. Okay. Smart plate is made of canvas. Oh, rubber is made way off. That's right. Okay, so the rubber is made... It's not even being made right now. I think I have it turned off. So where is my hypertube cannon? It is over that way, I think. My hypertube cannon. I've got hypertube set up way over there. A really, really long hypertube that goes out to my oil factory. And the oil factory is out. Let's see. What is that? You see where that... I think it's where that ladder is. No, that's not it. Where is it? Anyway, the oil factory is way over there. And it takes forever to go through that pipe. But I've got a new way of getting there called a hypertube cannon. Which... Come on. The jetpack doesn't really make for fast travel locally. The parachute would have, or we've got kind of a hang glider. Here's the hypertube cannon. Notice it's green and yellow. I colored it green because it's a critical infrastructure item. I wanted it to be powered on even when most of the factory is down. And here we go. So you see where I'm going over there? I have to veer. It's like... And then I have to hop a little bit. Stay up in the air. But it takes much, much longer to go through that tube. And there's another hypertube cannon right there for the return trip. But the return hypertube cannon takes me a lot higher. It's weird. Alright, so what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to turn the rubber back on. I've got a rubber... Why is the plastic not flowing? Because I removed that thing. Okay, well, first of all, let's get the plastic flowing. No, 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 I don't want to go that way. Turn around, turn around, turn around. That's the slope hypertube. I could show you a comparison, how long it takes with that. Okay, that plastic is going. This is a mix. Can be a mixed line though, so I'm gonna add plastic. I'm gonna add rubber to it by. Let's see. There's one of these colored a little bit different. Oh yeah, the red one here is actually set up to make rubber, and it's on standby. I'm gonna turn it on so it starts producing rubber, and then I'm gonna see. Yeah, it's going into that. Come on. I should set that in a different place because I keep accidentally going through it. Alright. Alright, so the rubber should be going through that. Every once in a while. Not here. Won't see it here. We'll see it after this box. Whoa. Plastic, 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 rubber. There's the rubber. So every once in a while we'll have a little bit of rubber going. Alright, so I got it set up so the rubber is coming. Now I gotta get so we get someplace where it's received. So I'm gonna get on this hypertube cannon. Now this hypertube cannon is, I don't know why, but it goes further than the other. It seems like it goes further than the other one. It might be higher. I don't know. But generally I go up through the clouds where I can't see anything. And I'm going, basically I try to slow down somewhere around where the space elevator is. And then I start falling. And okay, so I'll land on the back of that creature down there. There we go. That was a good bounce. Hello. Okay. So now, so that rubber should be coming down. Is it coming down this aisle? No, this is. There it is. There's where the plastic's coming. And now what I did with the plastic, and I'm not sure if this was the best thing to do, but I mean, I know it's not the best thing to do. For one thing, conveyor belts is a pretty expensive way of getting items around the. Yeah. So, is this where it happens? Yeah, it happens up here. So you can see here we have a smart splitter that says take plastic out of the right output, and overflow goes to the center output. So all the plastic is going that way is an overflow. And whatever plastic is being used up there by the computers and the computers and the circuit boards are turned off. So what I'm going to do is add another smart splitter. And this one is going to take rubber off the right output. I've made that mistake a lot of times, taking it off the wrong output. Okay, take it. Okay, good. Got it. All right. So what are we gonna do here? We're gonna take this rubber and move it up. I think it's that factory there. No, it's not that factory. It's one of them on the top. It's probably that one. Oh wow, I got a lot of space to move that way. I think I noticed that the giant bird creature clips with that factory. So that, I don't know if that matters, but okay, so I'm going to be taking, let's get some kind of materials to make a big belt. I think I'll just use regular iron plate. Or reinforced iron plate. Yeah, that'll probably be good. It's gonna be a long belt, so it'll make it a Mark II. That music is not distracting at all. Okay. I'm gonna use Mark II belt, and we're just gonna kind of follow follow this one. It'd be neat if I could put it on top of that one, but it's not stackable. Or is it? Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Ugh. I fell off the thing. Ah, I fell off the thing again. Okay. Huh. So, so we can stack that belt on top of that belt, even though they're not a stackable belt. Stackable belts. Okay. Well, that's handy. I mean, it's not very neat, but I'm not a neat person by nature. Let's see. Can't afford. Oh. Oh, there's other stuff because like the... Yeah. Okay. Huh. Well, let's get some iron plate right here. I don't mind if you float in the air, do you? Okay. Put it right there. And I probably ought to go get some iron plate. You know what? I've got a blueprint called build list. I'll pump that up to 4. And I'll go see what is on that build list. Wait. Let's clear my list first and then just get the build list. Times 4. Now it shows me that I need iron plate, encased industrial beam. That way I don't have to run back for every little thing. It says I need rotors. I need to get in the habit of getting on that doing that build list every time I'm running low on stuff, so that I don't wander off and have to come back. There's the encased industrial beam, and I don't have any room for it. There's just that. I need to get rid of some crap. So I will come over here, drop the grass, the leaf, the flower petals, get rid of that one computer. I don't think I need all that wire. Get rid of some motors. Encased industrial frame. Now this is my bring your stuff box, and what happens with the bring your stuff box is that it gets pumped out here where it's sorted with all the other stuff. It goes down to that lower level and until it reaches the box that it belongs in, and then if it reaches the box that it belongs in and that box is full, then it gets piped up to the higher level where it is pumped directly into this thing, which is called the Awesome Sink. And the Awesome Sink makes tickets, which I've got 11 of right now. And the tickets can be spent at the Awesome Shop. Yeah, that's where I can get my awesome things. Okay, but I don't really need anything right now. I think I got most of what I want to build with for now. And then okay, so where was I? I was gonna take that rubber. How much rubber do I got up here? Yeah, it's still kind of coming. Is it accumulated? Yeah, look at that. Got quite a bit there. Now, I'm gonna put it on the bus over here. And to do that, I need to figure out what level it's gonna be on. Probably be right above those rods. Unless there's something already on that level. I don't think so, though. Looks pretty clean, doesn't it? Let's zoom in. Yeah. I would say above the rods, we're clean. Okay, so zoom back out. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, there's where the plastic is going. I'm gonna just to get a spot to put it, I'm gonna put a merger on that level, and then I'm just gonna put a merger above it. Actually, I want it to be a splitter. A splitter, and the splitter will be going in straight, and then go both ways from there. Probably I'll only go to the left. So I'll just go ahead and probably ought to make that a Mark III belt like everything else is, but okay. Oh, close. Close. Alright, you know what? I've got... Hello.
Hi. Did you go outdoors? Because there's shit on.
Let's see, do I have a ramp up there? What did I do? I think I got out my shoes, but I forgot what I did with it. I forgot why I got them out.
Oh, they're out there. I thought maybe you went outdoors. You didn't go outdoors.
Okay. Okay, I'm making this ridiculously hard on myself for some reason. I have been having the most atrocious time getting those things connected.
Just out there.
Hmm?
I guess your shoes are just out there all. You didn't go outdoors.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Did you want to do laundry tonight?
What?
Did you want to do laundry tonight?
Not really.
Not really.
The reason I said that is that I'm tired from yesterday.
Yeah.
I took my shower, and then I went, of course, to the store, and then I walked all over Walmart, you know.
Yeah.
I'm still just tired. I gotta get up and do my dishes. I didn't get my dishes all done. But what other day could you?
Well, we could go tomorrow, or
Tomorrow will be all right. Saturday, it wouldn't be probably as
yeah.
crowded. Tomorrow, yeah. If I wasn't so tired, when I do that, like do all that in one day, I just get the next day I have to rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got the belt built.
What?
I've got that level of the bus built. Now
Oh.
I just need to put the materials on there. And there's the materials right there, I think.
And then getting onto these pills. I'm not still taking enough. Well, I missed that one. I missed one, but I didn't have it. But I'll try taking two of those. The $4. And I'll try two of those. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $4. 4 $
Okay.
2 of the $4 ones. See if,
Sounds good.
because I don't think they would. If a 2-year-old can take them, they couldn't be.
Yeah.
A 2-year-old just take one, of course.
Sure.
Maybe I'll try 2 of those. 2 of the $4. The $8 one is gel. You can tell they're real gentle.
Yeah.
They're a gel, just at all, and they're bigger and they're all gel inside. The other one, the little one, the $4 one, they don't look like there's that much gel. There's something else in those.
Okay.
I think they'd probably try those. When you're dealing with that, you just can't hardly, I don't know. And then I'm not walking. If I could walk around this building twice, that would really help.
Yeah.
Just around, clear around. Yeah, 'cause that's how I haven't been walking. It's been rainy and cold, and I've been doing things in here. Otherwise, I would go. I want to make sure I take this thing because we won't be going after you come back.
Yeah. I put the thing in the wrong direction. I need it to come in rather than go out. So, gotta find the spot again. Hit the R key. Now it's going in. And now it should work. There we go. Now we're getting some rubber. And so that's going up. Could upgrade everything, make it go a little faster. Mark 2. That is already Mark 2. Oh, no, that's not even there. Need to make okay, now we got 2 of the ingredients that we need. We need 1 more ingredient. For now, I'm gonna cheat. First of all, I'm gonna put a big old industrial storage here. And another one for my stuff. I'm gonna put okay. I'll just use this one. And then so store all. This will just be a minute. So okay, that was foolish. I don't have any. I've stored my fuel. Alright. So, but what I want is whatever smart plating that I have already made. So there's my smart plating. Okay, now then. Can't take my jetpack back, so I'll take the stairs. And, oh, gotta go up another flight. Stuff back, and now let's see. The manufacturer should be getting its first smart plating in a little bit, and we'll have our first modular engine. Excellent. So one other thing, I want to return it. I need 500 of those, so this isn't going to do it. 1, 2, wait a second. There's 512 of those in there. I need 1,000 to make 500, so I'm going to need more smart plating than that. But it does sound like we're making our first one now. Yeah, it's constructing our first modular engine. That's pretty exciting. I think that's pretty cool. That'll be the first modular engine that I've made in this game. And what I'm going to do with that modular engine is I'm going to send it back to my storage. So I will build another one of those. I'll just make it a Mark 1. I don't think we need it to be very fast. It's not coming all that quickly. Belt Mark 1, and there we go. And then I need to connect that belt to the purple belt down below. I'll go ahead and paint this. Q. X. We're gonna do swatch 3, make it green and purple. I could change that color combination later if I decide to. I need to make that one come down to the purple level. Let's turn on my flashlight so I can see where things are. It is night. Purple level, purple level. Oh, there's the purple level. Turn it around. I think that's around about the right place. Ah, good. There's a little spot there for the purple. I can bring it down a little bit more. As smart splitter, I just want a regular. I want to convert merger. There you go. Merger. And Alright, Mark 1 belt. Oh. I thought I'd see some action going. See some action already. Is there anything coming? Ah, here he comes. Hello. Oh. Our first engine. It's going back to storage. Let's paint that belt. Paint this guy. Paint that guy. And yep, looks good. I'll paint. That is a converger, right? Oh! Never mind. Okay, so those are being built now. And automatically. So I'm on my way to phase 3.
Your microphone?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if this microphone works.
Oh.